voy a tener que devolver los cartuchos porque no me imprime bien. No sé si la tinta está vencida, algo tiene, porque aquí le doy, por ejemplo, esta hoja, voy a copiarla. ¿Ven? Como pueden ver, no funciona, como si la tinta estuviera mala o algo tiene. Realmente, ahí tengo puestos los cartuchos que compré. Son los mismos cartuchos. Así que los voy a devolver porque realmente no me resuelven mi problema.
Okay, so I'm going to do a review for the Smart Ink, which is a combo pack that has looks like the cyan, the magenta, and the yellow, as well as the black. It's going to come in a box. Have these nice little cases that are holding these guys. So I have normal HP OfficeJet Pro 8715. It's going to be very simple. First thing you do is you want to open up the flap. Wait for your little cartridges to move over. You're going to press in, pull out, get your new one that you have. Don't worry about the little seal. You can leave that little protected seal on there. Not going to hurt it at all. Put it in, push, installed. Next one, the magenta. Same process here. And basically just repeat the process till you're done. So there we go. Close it up. So you ready? Not a problem. Click OK. And you're good to go. That's how you do it.
Alright, this is the box that came in.